Raghu, I have to pose this question. Are we against manufacturing in India?
I don't think so. I think what we are against is massive subsidies being offered to manufacturing, especially old style manufacturing. I mean, manufacturing is changing tremendously. Today, when you look at a modern car, it consists of more, software programming which goes into it, many, many millions of lines of code, rather than actually the physical stuff that's fitted together.
So what goes into manufacturing a lot is services embedded in manufacturing, which India has a comparative advantage and we're good at it.
Absolutely. So we have, for example, chip designers who do fantastic work. By some estimates, 20% of chip design happens in India. So what we are really for is let's do the best we can in the most advanced areas we can, because that's where the value is. But if somebody wants to set up a manufacturing plant in India, by all means, only we shouldn't subsidize it so heavily.